Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new gaming station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So start by setting it up. Out of the box, all the pieces are neatly packed and the instructions are simple to follow. Everything is metal so it feels sturdy right away, which is great for holding heavier gaming gear. You've got panels, hooks, and wheels and they all fit together easily. No special tools are needed, just follow the steps and it all comes together smoothly. The straps, hooks, and shelves all feel durable so you don't have to worry about them breaking or coming loose once it's built. The wheels attach quickly and make it easy to move the rack around even when it's loaded. From start to finish, it took about 30 minutes to put together and it was super solid. By the end, you've got a strong, well-designed organizer ready to hold all your gaming gear. Alright, and now that it's built, let's take a closer look. The organizer is built for gamers. It has multiple shelves and hooks designed to hold pretty much everything: consoles, controllers, headphones, even keyboards and cables. The metal construction feels heavy duty so it can easily handle the weight of monitors, speakers, or a full gaming setup without wobbling. The shelves allow air to flow through, which is great for keeping your consoles cool during long gaming sessions. Alright, now let's go ahead and actually load it up. As you can see on the top shelf, I've got a PS4, a Nintendo Switch, and a Nintendo DS. Below that, I've got a shelf with a bunch of games and the cases for them. The hooks are perfect for hanging headphones, cables, and keeping everything within reach. Even fully loaded, the rack feels sturdy and balanced. The wheels make it easy to move around without worrying about tipping, so I can roll it between rooms if needed. The ventilated shelves are also doing their job, keeping my consoles cool while they're running. Having everything in one place is a huge upgrade. It keeps the space tidy, organized, and ready for gaming anytime. The rack is definitely a must-have for keeping all your gaming gear in check. Overall, this rack doesn't just keep things organized, it also makes gaming more convenient. You're not wasting time hunting for controllers and untangling cables. So if you guys are looking for a new gaming station, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.